Hello everyone. Today we learn phrasal verbs. Wrap up,
Wrap up,
tie up,
tie up,
lace up,
lace up,
ring out,
ring out,
put up,
put up,
boil over,
boil over,
step on,
step on,
light up,
light up,
hand over,
hand over,
put out,
put out,
peel off,
peel off,
put in,
put in,
peek over,
peek over,
ball up,
ball up,
dry off,
dry off,
pick up,
pick up,
put down,
put down,
turn on,
turn on,
turn off,
turn off,
blow up,
blow up,
break down,
break down,
look after,
look after,
look for,
look for,
look up,
look up,
sit down,
sit down,
stand up,
stand up,
turn around,
turn around,
cheer up,
cheer up,
calm down,
calm down,
wake up,
wake up,
get up,
get up,
put on,
put on,
take off,
take off,
open up,
open up,
close up,
close up,
clean up,
clean up,
wash up,
wash up,
throw away,
throw away,
pick out,
pick out,
set up.
set up.